Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the sketch effect in Picsart. So open Picsart application, tap on the plus icon as you can see. So I'll tap on see all over here to see all my photos in my gallery. So I'm going to choose the perfect photo for this sketch effect. I'll choose this one here. So after choosing it, I need to close this. Alright, so right now come to effects, then select sketch over here. Alright, so right now these are all the sketch effects we have in Picsart. So I'll select this one here. Alright, so after selecting it, I'll wait for it to load so that it can apply. So as you can see guys, it has finished applying in my photo. As you can see over here, these are the sketch effects guys. So you can select the one you want, the one of your choice. All these are sketch effects. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you found value in our video, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. We shall meet in the next video.